So, today I was, I'm going out shopping, and I was struck by a little bit of inspiration. I was like, let me just do a quick makeup tutorial, and actually post it this time, because I've done like 10 and not posted any, so let me do it. So yeah, I'm just going to do a cute little pinky look to go with my earrings, and I'm wearing like a, you can't see it, pink vest top, and little pink scrunchy things. So yeah, let's just go for a cute pink look. So first I start with brows, so I use Brow Define Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil by MUA. I don't know MUA Brow Define. I do my brows super simple, so keep them quite light, brush them up. And then draw a line underneath. So I've drawn underneath, and then I'm just going to fill it in. So with really light brush strokes, just fill it in lightly, and I kind of just brush it up. Go for a kind of fluffy brow. Gosh, fluffy brow look. And yeah, I'm gonna go do the other one. So now my eyebrows are done. Dang it, I can't find my concealer. So I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer. As you can see, it's one of my favourites. It's almost finished. This is to conceal my eyebrows. It's in the shade Caramel. I love this concealer, but it's not. I don't have it in my shade right now. This is my winter shade. No, it's my summer shade. This is actually my summer shade, but I didn't tan this summer. So yeah, I'm just going to conceal really lightly under the eyebrows. And then I'm going to go in with this Clear Model Co brow gel, just on top, super lightly, just so it stays in place for the whole day. So now for the eye look. So I think I'm gonna go for graphic liner today, because I just think it will look cool, because I've got like quirky earrings. Yeah, yeah. I'll link where I got these earrings from down below. It's by the Scalp from Savannah, small business I found on TikTok, and they're absolutely amazing. Like, I'm in love with them. I really need to buy some more. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with, this is a Fit Me concealer. No idea what shade. Yeah, I can't remember which one it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna dab that under the eye a little bit, and then on top of the eye as well. A bit. Then I'm going to get, this brush and just dab it in. Bottom first, then top. So as I said before, we're going for a graphic liner look. And I am split between hot pink and not hot pink, baby pink basically. So I reckon I'm going to do a bit of both. So at this point the screaming got really loud, and literally while I was editing I literally couldn't stop hearing it, so I'm having to voice over this bit. So basically I'm showing you that I have the liquid eyeliner by Barry M in the shade pink. It's a vegan formula. It's not even a thing, a vegan formula. But yeah, I shook it and I'm about to put it on my eyes. Yeah, voiceover done. Out. Like that, you see that? Then we're gonna go in like this. Okay, so I've done the now I'm going to go in with the High Vis Water Activated colour by Barrier as well. This one, you've got to get a thin brush and you just get a bit of water, swish it around, swish swish, and then the colour comes off. Now this is like more of a neon colour. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. And this one's gonna go. My trick with eyeliner is not to do long strokes. I always go for short strokes, and that way you can control it more. So. This one, I put a bit of micellar water on it, and then I just go in where I need to and just kind of clean it up a bit. Eyeliner is a process, so like it might take a while. It might take a couple tries for you to get there. Be patient and you will get there. Sometimes I spend about an hour on my eyeliner. It's depressing, but the payoff is amazing. So I'm going to go clean it up, tiny bit more off camera because I don't want this video to be too long, and then I'll come back and then do my inner corner. Right, so I am going to do a bit of an inner corner because I have no idea how this is going to work, but yeah.
Alright, so I'm back with a voiceover because I didn't explain what I was doing here very well because I was concentrating. So I'm drawing a very thin line very carefully on the top of my inner corner, and then I'm kind of like drawing a line across and do like an upside down triangle and then just filling in the tippy bit of my inner corner. So yeah, it kind of looks like an upside down triangle if you see it. I'm only drawing on the top part of my inner corner though, because that's the look I'm going for apparently. Doing really, really tiny light brush strokes.
When I do my inner corner, I like to follow the natural line of my eye. So if you can see, I've just gone and just elongated that bit a little bit. I'm not creating a whole new shape, if that makes sense. So that's my inner corner. I'm going to go to the other one and try something. I may not end up liking it, but I just feel like to pull the whole thing together, add a little thing here. I'm not a fan of my eye shape. One of the biggest insecurities, they're so round, and like I have to make them look elongated. But it's a nice look. I think what it's missing though is a little bit of under eye eyeliner. Under eye eyeliner. Oh, it's not even eyeliner. Under eye eyeshadow. Sorry, a bit tired today, so hold on a second. Right. I'm taking my Revolution palette, Patricia Bright, rich in colour, shade Pink is Poppin', and then just going to put it underneath my.
And it's another voiceover cameo. So yeah, I had to mute this because I waffled too much. But I took shade Shimmering from the Patricia Bright palette and just put it at the bottom of my inner corner, as you can see right there.
And this is our eye look. Okay, so to completely finish off the look, I'm just going to add a tiny bit more concealer, but a bit of a lighter shade. So this is the Makeup Revolution C10.5 Concealing Define. I'm just going to dot a really small dot, because this is quite light. If you don't wear foundation, especially since you've got to wear masks in shops, I just honestly cannot be bothered. Do foundation. Yep, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit of that. And then I'm going to buff it out with my beauty blender, just to give it more of a finished look. I'm not going to put anything over this spot because I really want it to go away, and putting makeup on top just makes it get redder and redder afterwards. Redder and redder, is that even a word? Where's my highlight? Shala. Okay, I'm going to use liquid highlight because I don't know where one is. This is by Makeup Revolution liquid highlight. I got this in the Christmas advent calendar last year. I don't really use liquid highlight anymore. I went through a phase where it was the only thing I used, and I don't anymore. I'm just going to dab it in on my finger. Can you see? I don't normally wear pink lips because I just don't like the look. But I'm going to try some of my pink. So I'm going to line my lip with this Steve Lauren lip liner in the shade we don't know the shade. I'm looking into the camera. It's not very pigmented, it's dark.
So I'm editing right now the video that you're going to be seeing, and I managed to waffle so much while doing my lip liner. Like, how do you waffle while painting or drawing on your lips? You should be keeping your lips still, but hey, I still managed to do it. Yeah, that's just editing thoughts for you.
Yep. Then we're gonna get the Huda Beauty. I've never used this before, so fun. Oh, it's got light in there probably. Of course it is. So I tried that So I tried the Huda Beauty lipstick with just that kind of liner, and it looked horrible. Like, I'm gonna insert a picture. So we're gonna have to do something a little different. So I'm going to try my little hack. It's not my hack at all. From the Patricia Bright palette, I'm gonna take the shade Wifey, and I'm gonna put it on a stuff on it, on a brush, and then line my lips with Wifey. Now let's hope this works, because I really like the lipstick and the coverage of the lipstick. The coverage of the lipstick doesn't need coverage. I really like it, but it just, you know what I mean? Just a no from me. And this is like, this is more than lining my lips. So I've made it a bit darker. Now I'm going to add the Huda Beauty, just to the middle. That looks a lot better. That does look so much better than before. Because I do like the colour, I like the texture because it's a cream kind of. Always forget, and I always forget this, and I don't know why I always forget this. Probably because I have no eyelashes. But I always forget mascara. I have barely any lashes, so I don't even bother anymore. I don't actually like mascara, but I can't put falsies on, so Wow, that always happens to me and it actually makes me cry. Yesterday I cried because it happened. I always manage to get mascara on my under eye.
Thanks for watching everyone. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Bye.